Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our today's video tungkol sa concert in Hong Kong at sino yung artist mo meet. But subscribe now to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, and comments, and views. Aabuti ng 500 stories sa sipon ko. I-support natin sa ating social media account for our latest vlog for today. 344 episode 344 entitled Richard Poon Meets the Legend Dabbercats. Here's our vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panalan natin ang highlights. Okay, eto na. Last Sunday, kahit tapos na Independence Day, kasi June 12 ang actual. June 15, Sunday, last Sunday po yung ginanap ang Saludo the Concert in celebration of the Philippine Independence Day. Ginanap sa Hong Kong that the OFWs in Hong Kong are here as an audience with special guest celebrities like Mr. Randy Santiago, Donita Knows, Nina of Singali, Alan Kay, Alan Kay pag-usapan natin. Richard Poon, Anna Ramsey, host, DJ Chacha, and syempre, DJ Dabbercats, aside from Alan Kay. Then, Jose Manado, Wally Bayola, Karen Einstrong, and of course, Bossing Big Soto. O, Alan Kay, kasali ka pa rin sa Itbulaga. And, with Mr. Rapi Tulfo, sa ating Saludo the Concert in Hong Kong. Usapan natin kay Richard Poon. Sa day 2 ng Hong Kong trip ni Richard Poon kasi sa concert in Central Road, Hong Kong for all the OFWs. At syempre, about to sponsor by Team Voting, Danny Bossing, powered by Smart. May lucky winners. Ayan. Ayan, na-meet na yung Dabbercats. Sorry. That Richard Poon meets the Dabbercats. Okay, eto. Kasi na-meet kay Richard Poon si Jose Manalo. May nausap kasi tungkol sa congratulations. Huwag kumausapan yung mga issues, yung mga ganyan. Plus, yung hindi ba nakausap like Wally Bayola, Alan Kay, Karen Einstrong, and of course si Bossy Big Soto. Alala lang daw. But congratulations sa mga nakapunta na sa Hong Kong! Yes! Yes! Hong Kong pa more! Yan, Hong Kong, yes. God Richard Poon is success for 2 days in Hong Kong. Na day 1, yung Philippine Independence Day Charity Ball. And Hong Kong yan, at day 2, Saludo the Concert. So, as of na moment, nagbalik Pinas na si Richard Poon after Hong Kong trip na medyo para 5 days lang siya. And, for Bossing, sana ma-meet na. Na-meet na siya last Sunday. And hopefully, Richard, to talk the other Dabbercats coming soon. Kaya na-meet na yung apat at saka si Jose. Kay Richard Poon, we love you! Sana man! And congrats to all the OFWs in Hong Kong. Congrats and saludo pa more. Yan po for our latest vlog. See you on Sunday. Bye. God bless.